Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Tucker. Let's continue our discussion about division with fractions. This is the second video. We're going to change things up a little bit. This time, we're going to start with a unit fraction and divide it by a whole number. So I'm going to take a whole and divide it into 3 equal pieces. There's my whole. I divided it into 3 equal pieces. I'm only going to shade in one of those pieces. Now it says take that 1/3 and divide it into 2 equal pieces. So if I divide that right there, the question is, how big is each one of the pieces in reference to your whole? Well, you can see if I take that 1/3 and divide it into 2 equal pieces, my whole is no longer in equal pieces. So I have to go ahead and do the same to each of the other 2 pieces. Now I have, my whole has been divided into 6 equal pieces. My 1/3 has been divided into 2 equal sizes. How big is each size in reference to the whole? Yeah, each is 1/6 of the whole. Okay? How do we do this mathematically? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 2. I know 3 times 2 is 6. Let's put my 2 over 1. And then let's flip this fraction upside down, which means I'm going to take the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 2 divided by 1 is 1 divided by 2. And then when I do that, can you see where we're going to go next? Yeah, I'm going to multiply these 2 fractions because I've learned that if I multiply fractions, it's numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Okay? Let's try this again. Let's take that same 1/3, and this time we're going to divide it into 4 equal pieces. I want to know how big is each piece in reference to the whole. Well, I took my 1/3 and divided it into 4 equal pieces. How big is each piece? Well, my whole is now divided into 12, so each piece is 1/12 of the whole. How do we do that mathematically? Let's take this divisor of 4 and turn it into a fraction. Do you know what we're going to do next? Yeah, let's take that fraction and flip it upside down. We're going to take the reciprocal of the divisor. Now you know what we're going to do next. We're going to multiply those 2 fractions. Numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.